Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today topic is how to install FreeNAS. Introduction of FreeNAS. FreeNAS is an operating system that manages network attached storage. It is a FreeBSD operating system that supports NFS, ISCSI, FTP, RSYN, and RAID file system. The data stored on a ZFS file system is encrypted. Installing FreeNAS now. Installation. Choose OK. Choose yes. Select partition, then OK. Password enter here. Then OK. Boot via BIOS. Then OK. Reboot now. Then create network setup here. Enter 1. Then 1. Press enter. No. DHCP no. IPv4 enter yes. Enter here IP. Subnet mask 24. No. IPv6 no. Enter 10 to restart. Enter Y here. Now restarting. And go to the browser. Enter your FreeNAS IP here. FreeNAS is loading. Enter username and password. Now login. See, FreeNAS is successfully installed. Here you can see all information of a system, CPU information, storage information, memory usage, network info, everything you see here. FreeNAS is successfully installed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.